Hi, we're Jeremiah and Catie Behling. We've been at the school for 6 years, since the second year of the Augustine Academy. We have 4 children, a toddler, a kindergartner, a second grader, and a 5th grader, and it's a joy to be part of the organization.
When we moved to Wisconsin 7 years ago, we had very little context here. We had a few family members that we're grateful for, but we really were starting over in many ways. And something that the Augustine Academy has provided for us is a rich community of people who love the Lord, who love their families, who treat their children in a similar way that we treat ours, and who have similar values and faith convictions that we have.
When I think of the community at the Augustine Academy, I think of trust, and I think of alignment, of trusting the other folks who are in this with you, who have similar views, have similar approaches, who have bought into what we're trying to do together. That it's not a sense of me versus you, it's you and I together doing this work of raising and bringing up children to love and to follow the Lord. That's a big part of the community for me.
The curriculum at the Augustine Academy is very deep and rigorous and rich. The ideas that these children are exploring are not dumbed down for kids, but they are rich living ideas that adults can access and can enjoy. Something that I've just been blown away about is how much I'm learning at the Augustine Academy right alongside my children. I'm not just the authority teaching them all the things that they need to know, but it's more like we are in it together, exploring these ideas side by side, and we're wondering together about this world that God has created.
When I think of the alignment of the community and being a part of this school, I wasn't prepared for how deep those relationships would be. I thought it was a place that we could drop off the kids, have some support, and then go about our lives in the various spheres that we're called to influence. But I wasn't anticipating being so impacted myself. I wasn't expecting to be formed and matured as a parent by other community members and alongside of other community members.
And TAA has really formed our views and our ideas of Christ-like parenthood. We are in this community with other people who are striving for the same type of discipleship model parenting, and we feel so much support from the community because we're all in it together. Nobody's perfect. There's no feeling of competition or feeling left out, but we're really a community that walks alongside one another in this idea of discipleship. We are raising each other's kids arm in arm, linked together in pursuit of Christ and His holiness. If you're looking for a school that will support you in your faith and in your education journey, this is a place for you.